Hi guys, Happy New Year. Terry here. Hey, we have a wintry mix here in Columbus, Ohio. It's not that bad. We had a couple inches and last night we got a couple inches more. It's flurrying, but the snowflakes are really small. So I hope we're not going to accumulate much more. So if you're in an area where you got a lot of snow, I hope you're being careful and everything's working out well for you. So let me show you what I've been working on lately in my craft room. I finished a quilt for my father-in-law. My mother-in-law had passed away a few years ago and she had started it. I'll insert a picture here. So that was a good, accomplished feeling of getting that put together. I have been scanning some scrapbook layouts because I am trying to digitize all my 12 by 12 albums, so I'm using my brother's scan and cut for that. So that I've been working on. I try to do a little bit each day so it's not overwhelming. It takes about 2 hours to get a 30-page album, front and back, so 60 pages. So it's not too bad if I do it in little spurts. The other thing I've been working on is I'm going on a crop, so I've been trying to get my papers ready for the pictures that I'm going to scrapbook. So I've got to get my pictures printed, and I have a cruise album to work on. So I'm going to use the this one here. Forget what it was called. I'll insert the title here. But I've got that and the papers that go with, Sun Soaked. That's what it was, Sun Soaked. So how fun are those? So I can't wait to work on that album. When I was on the trip, I have to do this for my trips because I don't remember what we did each day. So I do a little journaling all the way, and I take my little baby printer that prints stickers, and I can say what day it was, where we did, and then I add my pictures, and it works out so well to write down, especially this one was like a 2-week trip. So it was really nice to write it all down. And then I'll take that with me on my crop and have that ready to fill in all the journaling on that album. So can't wait to work on that one. And then what I really wanted to show you was I got a box of new goodies. So let me put the camera up here and show you what's in that box. Okay, the box just came a couple days ago. I'm looking forward to putting this card kit together. I'll make a separate video of this one. It's called Cue the Confetti. They've got a lot of cute, fun card kits. And what I like about it is the cards are all different. So it has all different designs. And this is a birthday set. They always give you fun little extras, which I like to use these on scrapbook layouts. And then it's got all of the goodies that you need, and it comes with the card bases and the envelopes. So I think they're a really good deal. So I'll have a link to my Creative Memories website if you don't have a person that you buy through. I appreciate your business. But yeah, that is a birthday set that they have. So that'll be fun to put together, and I know that I'll use them. So the other thing that I got was they had a sale at the end of the year. This set was called Full of Wonder. I didn't buy the paper, but I did like the embellishments. Here's a close-up of the embellishments. So butterflies and feathers, cameras. Love that one. I love the purples and blues. And then this was the, it's called a Variety Matte Pack. So it's got ones that are 6 1/4 by 4 1/4, so they matte your photos. And then it's got all the different little 4 by 6 ones that you could use that have sayings on them. So those are fun. You can journal on these too, but just something to add to your layouts. So I love those colors, and those were on sale. This was another one that was on sale. This one's called Seasonal Sightings. I try to buy the themes that I know that I'll use. I'll use the blues and purples of that last set. And then this one, look how fun this is. It's got cardinals on it, red, black, and white. And I just think this will make gorgeous Christmas layouts. So that, and then a little bit of embellishments. Here's what this pack has. So look how fun that is. Look how pretty those flowers are. So Merry Christmas, 'tis the season. So I know those will look wonderful on, you know, with my Christmas photos. So love that. And then this one was interesting. I have the Creative Memories planner book for 2025. I'll show that to you here. So love this. And I've got my pages laid out already at some of our trips that we have planned. So I've got that. But this is a set of those 6 by 3/4 inch by 10 inch. These are pages that go inside that planner. So you can have your calendar part of your planner, and then you could also have like some fun photos in there. So this is just, these are like the Fast-to-Fab, well they even call it that, Fast-to-Fab, so it's pre-printed pages, and I think it'll be fun. So I can just put a variety of these in the back of my planner and put some photos in there. So looking forward to using that. It's a fun size. This one here is called Our Moments. So I thought these borders were gorgeous. Look at the plants, the leaves, the gold strip there. How fun are those? So I just thought they were very elegant, and I could use those to add to pages. So I thought that one was really cool. That one was called Our Moments. And then this was another set here. Again, I didn't buy the coordinating papers, but I thought these would be fun on layouts. So this one's Totally Tonal Fall. I might have this paper. I don't remember. I think I do, because I just love these colors. I just love the fall colors, you know, the oranges and the reds. So that one will be fun. So love those. You know, borders, when you add borders and your photos, your page is just 99% done. So that and a little bit of journaling. Oh, this one goes with the that first thing that I showed you. These go with that set. So this one's called Our Moments Designer Stickers. So it's got 3 in here. Sometimes on the website these don't look like much, but if there are colors that you know that you would use, I think they're going to make really handsome layouts. It says Photos, Family, Stories, Records. So this one's just very, very in line with doing like an ancestry book. So something that's telling a story. So This Is Us, One Big Happy Family, Portraits of the Past, Present Day, Love, You Make Life Wonderful, A Walk Down Memory Lane, and the past. So just those, I don't know, those colors just really struck me. Just so handsome. So, oh, and okay, so this I got with the, to go with the purple and the blue set. So I've got the Full of Wonder stickers, the matte, and the embellishments. So, love that. The sticker packs, I love when they come with, you know, borders for the sides. So, it doesn't take much to decorate the layout. So this one, the Sun Soaked, I got this to go with my album that I'm going to do for my cruise. So there was 2 sets. There was the Sun Soaked that I thought was just gorgeous. I love that turquoise color. And then Tropic Time. I think Tropic Time came out first last year. So this one has a little bit calmer pages, and I would say this one is more graphical. Graphical? Is that a word? But yeah, I just love those colors. And then I also got the tonal paper. So that's going to go with those two. I think those two packs are very similar in color, and they're going to look so good in my cruise pictures. So love that. And then this designer pack here. So this is the Our Moments. Again, going with these stickers and the border embellishments. These colors, I don't know, they just spoke to me. Those blues, they're kind of masculine. They're just so handsome. So I just love those colors. So I did buy that designer paper pack. And then here is the Full of Wonder paper. So look at those papers. I'm not really one that does the, oh, what do they call that? Where you put the alcohol ink down and make it that. But I do love how handsome the back pages are. So, I mean, I like them, but what really caught my eye was the dark colors of the back of them. So, isn't it gorgeous? So maybe it'll grow on me, or maybe just using a little strip of it on a page will be attractive. But I thought those purple colors were really neat. And then this one's called Right On. Okay, so this one goes with that Christmas little pack. The reds and the blacks and the whites. Yeah, this was called Right On too. So it's got, look at those cardinals. My husband got me a bird feeder for Christmas, and it's got a camera on it, so we've got all kinds of pictures of these birds that are visiting. So maybe there's going to be a bird layout using this one. So really like that. Again, just a handsome set, right? Their paper sets are so, they're just nice and handsome and very usable. So this one is called Project Recipe, and I got this because I wanted to show their, so this one was from October 2022, and I think this was exclusive to advisors. So it's funny, what I'm learning being a new advisor with Creative Memories, they kind of have stuff come out in a cycle, and you kind of get on some of this stuff when it first comes out. So I'm just getting used to that. At first it was a little bit of an annoyance, but I see what they're doing. It's like, if you want it, get it now. We're not having it around for years. But then something must make them bring something back out, you know, offering it as a clearance item or something a little bit later. So like I said, this was from October 2022. And again, knowing it was those rich fall colors that I love, I knew I would use this type of paper. And then what's nice about buying this paper pack, and a lot of their packs are like this, when it comes with a recipe, you've got, I'm trying to see if it says how many. It's got 6 sheets of designer paper, 1 sheet of solid white, and 1 sheet of navy, which would probably be for matting your photos. And then it shows how to cut those papers to make this 2-page layout. And probably with the scraps you might even have, you probably could make it into a, oh, spread, okay, so a 2-page spread 1 and 2-page spread 2. So it makes 4 with those pieces of paper. So, and just look how handsome they are. Like I said, it's the colors that gets me. So love that. Look at the mushrooms and acorns, butterflies. So cute. So love that. And like I said, there's just something about their papers that aren't so overwhelming. They're very handsome. And look how pretty those are, along with the stickers. And it comes with the recipe. So you are immediately going to make 4 pages out of that with the instructions to follow. So, so I'm really, really loving Creative Memories. I've always liked their tools, but I'm finding their paper sets, embellishments to be really handy. So, thanks for catching up with me. I hope your 2025, can you believe it's 2025? It sounds so strange to say that. So, yeah, I'm getting ready to go to a crop in a couple weeks. Got to get my pictures printed, get those papers pulled, and yeah. So my rolling tote is supposed to be coming any day now. Advisors could pre-order them back in, I think it was October. So those are finally coming in, and can't wait to pack that and use that. And yeah, so I hope you do something in your craft room this week, whether it's organizing. You know, it's always handy to just start with one drawer, pull something out of that drawer and just go through it to remember what you have, and you know, put it back just a little bit more organized so you can get to everything. So I hope you have a fantastic week, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.